Hey, accounting students, one more little note from me. In class on the 26th of January, Friday, I turned on the WebEx meeting tool and I recorded the entire classroom discussion today. I think some of you might find that very helpful as you are working through your exercises, problems, and also during that video, I gave a sneak preview of the test for chapter 2, so you might want to, even if you speed through the video, you might want to look at it. So let me show you how to get to it. So on your white menu inside of our course, hit the WebEx tool. And then there's no upcoming events scheduled. I schedule events on the fly, so I don't ever have a list of upcoming. But go to event recordings, and then the 12618 is the video. Now, when you click on view recordings, you will have three choices. It's coming up here. So the first choice is to play the video inside of Canvas. And to do that, you have to have the tool installed on your machine, but you might, and it's really easy to do, and you will be directed to install that. The second one streams the video to your computer. I'm going to go ahead and click on that and show you what's going to happen here. So you know what streaming is. It doesn't bring the whole file to you, it brings you some at a time. Whoops, it actually came up on a different screen on my second screen. Let me see if I can get that in here. And at first it's going to seem like there's nothing happening, but you can see at the bottom it's buffering. It takes a little bit to get going with that stream, and if you have a slower internet connection, this might even be really slower. Waiting, waiting, waiting. Shouldn't take this long. There we go. Eventually you'll see the participants load up, and you'll see you'll hear me talking, and you'll see a little video as well. Okay, so those are your classmates. Okay, so let me stop that. And I want to show you the third option is an MP4. So an MP4 is a video file. So you will download a file and then you can watch it on your device. Some students like to do that because they can possibly watch that MP4 on a different thing, like their phone or their or a tablet or a laptop, and still keep the computer running. For this class, you're usually using your paper and pencil to do your work, so the video can maybe be on your screen. So to do that, you just click on the MP4, and I thought it was going to down. Oh, there's. I can just start playing it, or I can download it. So you could download it to view later, which might be convenient for some of you, especially if you don't have super high-speed internet. Again, I just recorded my whole class, so it's not really planned. It's just whatever happened in class that day, but you get the questions from the students and me answering the questions. And for a lot of the video, I shared my screen. Let me just speed through some of that so you can see what I'm talking about. So I actually talked through the problems, answered questions, and toward the end, I previewed the test. Anyway, more than you ever wanted to know, right?